reset.
Yep, that's right. Okay. Look at the screen. Programming.
Okay. So even though the settings were right there, it's almost as if that hadn't been properly programmed. Okay, got it. And now it says it's successful. So if we were to maybe go,
We got to put that back.
oh, okay.
Who's running the siren now? I don't know.
It won't turn off. There it goes. I'll reset it. Is that one of your traps?
What's that?
If you set alternate well site 3 and it won't reset with cancel all? I had to reset it for it to turn off.
Say 3.
Maybe we had too much radio noise.
Yeah, we got a lot of people stepping on each other.
Yeah.
So
Reset worked.
like they were finding out, they had to wait until somebody wasn't transmitting before they could even transmit, and so it was like waiting on PTT.
Yeah.
That was because everybody is stepping on each other.
Do these wait?
Okay, go ahead.
System.
Okay, you're back. Should be back. So they should work now.
Okay.
It should not be sending out DT.
Going down slowly.